10,000 crore rupees. That's how much the government is planning to invest in MSMEs. But the real question is, will you actually benefit from it? Or will it go to only a few businesses again? Hello friends. The Union Budget 2026 has delivered a massive boost for MSMEs. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a dedicated 10,000 crore rupees SME Growth Fund, along with multiple reforms to improve credit access and faster payments. In this video, I'll break everything down clearly, with real data, real announcements, and no confusion. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why this budget matters. India has over 7 crore MSMEs, and they contribute around 30% of the country's GDP. But despite this, most MSMEs struggle with delayed payments, high cost of borrowing, and complex compliance. This budget takes a clear three-part approach: equity support, liquidity boost, and professional support to help MSMEs grow and scale. Section 2. 10,000 crore rupees SME Growth Fund. Let's start with the biggest announcement. As per the Finance Minister's speech, I propose to introduce a dedicated 10,000 crore rupees SME Growth Fund to create future champion MSMEs. This is not another loan scheme. This fund focuses on equity and quasi-equity support, which means businesses can get growth capital without heavy repayment pressure. This is one of the few times the government is supporting MSMEs with growth capital, not just loans. What this means for you: if your business has strong fundamentals, if your financial records are clean, if you are ready to scale, you may get funding support to expand, modernize, or enter new markets. Additionally, a 2,000 crore rupees top-up has been announced for the Self-Reliant India Fund to continue supporting micro enterprises. Section 3. TReDS, faster payments. Now let's talk about the second major change: improving cash flow. Let's simplify this. TReDS means Trade Receivable Discounting System. It is a system that helps MSMEs get payments faster. Instead of waiting 60 to 90 days, you can convert your invoice into cash within a few days. To strengthen this system, the government announced 4 key measures. Number 1. Making TReDS mandatory for CPSE purchases from MSMEs. CPSE stands for Central Public Sector Enterprises. CPSEs are big government companies. Now they must use TReDS for MSME purchases, so payments become much faster. Number 2. Providing credit guarantee support through CGTMSE. CGTMSE stands for Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. This means banks get government support while giving loans, so MSMEs can access credit more easily. Number 3. Linking government marketplace with TReDS. If you sell to the government, you can now get payments faster through this connection. Number 4. Allowing TReDS receivables to be treated as financial assets. This means your invoice becomes valuable, so banks can give you money against it easily. Real world impact: faster payments from buyers, lower interest rates, improved cash flow. This directly solves one of the biggest problems MSMEs face: delayed payments. Section 4. Compliance and professional support. Now the third pillar: compliance support. Because let's be honest, most small businesses don't struggle with ideas, they struggle with paperwork. To solve this, the government plans to introduce corporate Mitras, working with professional bodies like ICAI, ICSI, ICMAI to provide affordable compliance support. Additional benefits: simpler income tax framework, faster GST processes, easier filings. Also, credit guarantee cover under CGTMSE has been increased from 5 crore to 10 crore rupees, making it easier to get collateral-free loans. Section 5. Practical takeaways. So what does all this mean for your business? Access to growth capital, faster payments, easier compliance, better credit access. But here's the truth. This budget doesn't guarantee success, but it removes many of the obstacles that were slowing MSMEs down. Immediate steps you should take: ensure your Udyam registration is active. Get on board on TReDS platforms. Keep your GST and financial records clean, because eligibility for these benefits will depend on your performance. Now here's the part that really matters. This is not just a budget announcement. This is a signal. The government wants MSMEs to grow, but only those who are ready. So the real question is, will you be ready when the opportunity comes? If you own a business, tell me in the comments, what type of business do you run? Which announcement excites you the most? If this video helped you, Share it with at least one business owner because this information can actually change someone's growth path. Subscribe for more business insights, and I'll keep you updated as soon as detailed guidelines are released. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.